State the characteristics illustrated by the photo below. You can see it. Method. That characteristics is what? That one is nutrition. We'll go to the next one. You can see the band moving very fast. That characteristics is movement or locomotion. Number 8. Method. Name the most suitable operator used to collect the following specimens for study in the laboratory. Grasshopper, you use sweep net. Rat, belt trap. Fish, fish net. Ant, putter or pitfall trap. Stinging needle, that one is a pair of forceps. Number 9. Below is an apparatus used to trap specimen. Identify the apparatus. This one is pitfall trap. You can see an organism has been caught. You're told next, state the purpose of the part labeled R. You can see the part labeled R very clearly. To prevent entry of rain water, prevent entry of rainwater or sun rays. Number 10. Number 10, you're told what is a specimen? What is a specimen? A specimen is a whole or a part of an organism being studied or examined. Number 10 and number 11 now. List 3 precautions made during a collection and observation of specimen. What are some of the precautions that are taken during the collection and the specimen? Number 1, collect only the number of specimens you need. Number 2, do not harm specimens during the capture or the collection. Number 3, do not destroy the natural habitat of the specimen. Next, after use, return any live specimen back to the habitat whenever possible. Next, dangerous or injurious specimen should be handled with a lot of care. Such include stinging plants or insects. Make use of forceps and hand gloves in such cases. Next, for highly mobile animals should be immobilized. Go to the next one, number 12. Below is a drawing of an apparatus used during the study of biology. Identify the apparatus. This one is, you can see it has part S, T and U. This one is magnifying length or hand length. Number B, name the part labeled S, T and U. S is frame, T is convex length, U is handle. Next, we go to the next one. State the function of the apparatus. The apparatus makes small objects to appear bigger, a large specimen, or magnify a specimen. Next, a student observing a hand of an insect using a hand lens. Write the formula used to calculate magnification of the specimen using a hand lens. So magnification is equal to drawing length over actual length. You get the answer. Next, she made a drawing of hand whose length was 3 centimeter. If the magnification was times 2, calculate the length, the actual length of the drawing. So this is how you calculate it, and drawing length over actual length. Then the drawing length is 3 over 2. You get 1.5 centimeter. And number 13, state 3 main differences between a plant and animals. 3 it now. 3 main differences between plant and animals. Animal one side and plants the other side. Animals has specialized complex excretory organs. Plants have simple excretory organs. Animals respond quickly to stimulus. Plants respond to stimulus slowly. Animals have definite growth. Plants have indefinite growth. Animals move around to look for food. Plants are stationary. Animals are heterotrophic. Plants are autotrophic. Cells. Animal cells have no cell walls. Plant cells have cell walls, made of cellulose. Cells lack chlorophyll. Animal cells lack chlorophyll. Plant cells have chlorophyll. We go to number 14. Define the following terms. Taxon. Taxon is a group of organisms. Organisms with similar characteristics. Species is a group of organisms that can naturally interbreed to give rise to fertile offspring. Number 15. State 2 reasons that make scientific names to be written in Latin language. Why do they use Latin language? Number 1, does not change. Number 2, was widely spoken or used by scientists during Linnaeus' time. Number 16. State 3 importances of classification of living organisms. Why do we classify? What are the importance of that? To place organisms in the right groups for reference. Number 2, put together organisms with similar characteristics and separate those with different characteristics. Number 3, to organize information about living organisms in an orderly manner to avoid chaos that may arise if it was done arbitrarily. Next, understand evolutionary relationship between organisms. Number 17. State all the taxonomic units in descending order. And descending order, we have kingdom, we have phyla or division, class, we have order, we have family, we have genus, we have species. Number 18. Apart from Plantae and Animalia, name the 3 other kingdoms of classification and give an example for each. We have one side kingdom, the other side example. Fungi, we have mushroom. Protista, we have amoeba. Monera, we have bacteria. Monera, we have bacteria. Number 19. What is binomial nomenclature? And binomial nomenclature is assigning of 2 scientific names to living organisms. State 3 rules of binomial nomenclature. The genus name should start followed by scientific name. These questions, they keep on repeating. They repeat, and that's why there is no reason for students to fail, because these questions, I have found them in many exams, including KCSE. The name should be underlined separately when underwritten. Then the scientific name is sometimes written with the name of the person who first described the organism adequately. Number 20. The scientific name of pawpaw is Carica papaya. Which taxonomic unit is represented by the name Carica? That one is genus. State 2 mistakes made in writing the name, starting the genus name with a small letter. Number 2, starting the species name with a capital letter. Number C, read the name correctly, Carica papaya. That is how you're supposed to write it. And number 22, no, 21, no, this is 20C. 21 now. The scientific name of tiger is Panthera tigris, and that of jaguar is Panthera fauna. State the reason why a tiger and a jaguar cannot interbreed, yet they belong to same genus. They belong to different species. Number 22, study. Let us drop this question here so that you can see it properly. Study the light microscope below and answer the questions that follow. You can see it here very clearly, part A to part G. You're told number 1, name the part labeled A to L. A is high piece, B is cause and adjustment knob. You can see B, C, fine and adjustment knob, D is body tube, E is revolving nose piece, F is eye power objective lens, G is condenser, H is mirror, L is base. And we are through with this video. We thank you so much for watching up to the end. And if you have any question, if there is anything you want us to maybe do, you can write in the comment section, and we shall appreciate. If you have not subscribed, I would request you to take a few seconds, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notification. We once again take this opportunity to thank our subscribers, and because you can see this work is moving on well, and you know our intention is to make our learners perform well in their exams. We thank you so much. Until next time, goodbye for now.